Installation. Introduction of handheld laser welding machine. Configuration. Configuration includes wire feeding tube, control cable, power cord, accessory spec, wire feed rolls, nozzle box, earth wire. Software. Introduction. When you start the device and find that it is the Chinese version, please click this button. Press the password 126. Then click here to select the language version. Save and return. This is the main interface of the welding system. This interface displays the main welding parameters and function buttons. In the settings interface, there is an important parameter setting, laser center offset. When the laser point is on the left side of the welding wire, enter an appropriate positive value, and when it is on the right side, enter a negative value. You can also set other parameters on this interface. Click the Technology button on the main interface. This interface can set the power, speed, and weight required for welding. 9 sets of commonly used welding parameters can be stored in this area. First, select the technology number, then modify the corresponding power and other parameters, and then press Import and Save in sequence. Installation. Instructions. Insert the welding wire hose connector into the wire feeder and tighten the fixing screw. Open the wire cover and place the wire spool onto the shaft. Feed the welding wire into the welding wire tube along the wire feeding wheel, and then close the fixed shaft pin. Tighten the wire feed shaft cover and put on the cover. Connect the wire feed signal wire and ground wire to the back of the welding machine. Insert the gas pipe into the interface on the back of the welding machine. Plug the wire feeder power cord into the circuit socket. Connect the welding machine power cord to the circuit switch. Turn on the circuit and welding machine switches in turn. Ground wire clamp on the workpiece. Open the nozzle box. Take out the graduated tube. Remove the protective plug and install the nozzle. Release the emergency stop button. Press the laser enable button and start the welder. Setting welding power in the technical interface. The nozzle is placed on the workpiece and the laser burning intensity is observed by stretching the graduated tube. The most suitable position of the graduated tube is when the splash is the largest and the combustion is the strongest. Tighten the graduated tube sleeve. Loosen the screw of the wire feed tube and insert it into the welding gun. Tighten the screws and install the wire guide nozzle onto the wire feeding tube. Insert the wire feeding tube into the wire feeding interface. Adjust the length of the wire feeding tube to keep the wire feeding nozzle 2 mm away from the nozzle. Then tighten the screws. Press and hold the manual wire feed button on the wire feeder control interface. Welding starts after the wire is fed out of the welding gun nozzle. Welding show. Clean software. Press this icon, then press this icon. At this time, you need to turn off the host power and restart it. This is the main interface of the cleaning system. Click the settings icon and enter a password from 1 to 6. Press this icon. Select the model of lens in the welding gun and return. Set the scan width and power in the technical interface. The maximum width and power cannot exceed the device standard value. Cleaning and installation introduction. Remove the wire feed tube bracket. Open the welding gun cover and loosen the screws. Loosen the tube sleeve and remove the graduated tube and chuck. Set power and scan width in the technology interface and import. Press the welding gun switch. Adjust the welding gun height and start cleaning. Thanks for watching.